In this video, we will see together how not to mix visiter and rendre visite. Visiter, rendre visite. So I thought it would be important to do this little lesson because I've got quite many students who tend to mix them. So, visiter, rendre visite, and we'll start with visiter. So the important thing about visiter is that it is used for a place or a monument, but not for a person, because this is when, in most of the cases, people make the mistake, they connect visiter to a person. In French, we don't connect it to a person. So, a place, monument, let's see an example. Cet été, j'ai visité beaucoup de musées. Cet été, j'ai visité beaucoup de musées. So I've been putting visiter here in the passé composé form with avoir. J'ai visité. So as you can see, I am taking visiter here because I'm talking about musée. Place, monument, we go for visiter. Cet été, j'ai visité beaucoup de musées. And now let's have a look at rendre visite. So now you anticipate it, of course, because rendre visite will be used for a person. So we use it for a person and not a place. So remember, place, monument, it's visiter, and now for the person, it will be rendre visite. Let's see the example. J'ai rendu visite à ma mère à l'hôpital dimanche dernier. J'ai rendu visite à ma mère à l'hôpital dimanche dernier. So as you can see, I've been using the rendre visite. It's in the passé composé form with avoir and then the past participle rendu. J'ai rendu visite. So we will combine it with the preposition à. So it's rendre visite à quelqu'un. J'ai rendu visite à ma mère à l'hôpital dimanche dernier. So let's see another one. Je vais lui rendre visite le week-end prochain. So in that situation, it's quite interesting because as you can see, I've been putting here the pronoun complément d'objet indirect. One thing, if you're not sure about the pronoun complément d'objet indirect, have a look at my video, it's quite precise. Je vais lui rendre visite le week-end prochain. So in that case, it is connected to a person because it is the pronoun complément d'objet direct here. As usual in French, it comes before the verb it is connected to, and here it's rendre. So, lui rendre visite. Je vais lui rendre visite le week-end prochain.